We are nearing the end of the evening, and I would like to thank all of you for turning up tonight. And we had a good problem tonight. We ran out of space. So thank you for turning up and supporting us and singing with us and celebrating with us, and for being so willing to journey with us and dancing and singing with us. We didn't know for sure till 5 days ago that we will have you here. We were ready to just do it without an audience and just record it. Thank you to all the people who helped make tonight happen. I am not going to name all of you, but you know who you are, and the singers know who you are as well, and we are all grateful that we have you. Thank you to all the singers up here. Who have worked so hard learning the songs, and I don't even remember how many recordings I made. And Charlotte for the choirs. We made loads of audio tracks, loads of them. And thank you to all of you for learning them and overcoming all the odds to get to where we are. And we have created all this together. So we should all be very proud of ourselves. I am. Our singing journey obviously doesn't stop here. And if any of you in the audience would like to join us next term, we would be thrilled to welcome you. You've got the contacts in the programs, and we look forward to singing with some of you next term, maybe all of you, who knows. Thank you, dancers. And all the drummers. For your joy and energy. You lifted us to another level, as I knew you would. And we have something of that energy, hopefully, to take with us as we live here. And I hope that some of the songs will be repeating themselves in your mind over the next coming weeks and months and years ahead, whatever we are going to face. Thank you so much for my dear friend, and I'm going to cry now, and co-director of the Wellington Community Choir, Charlotte. Thank you so much. And Charlotte is not talking today because she lost her voice. Thank you, Andrea, for all your support and for playing for us tonight. Thank you, Jenny, for leading the dances and bringing your joyful energy to the stage. Thank you. And thank you, Simon. I've been moving to the beat of your drums for a very long time now. And all right, so we have got one last song for you. This song is called Who? Oh. Didn't expect that one. I was actually thinking of buying something for everybody else, and then I ran out of time. Where was I? Last song. Our last song tonight is called Hoodie, and it's a song from Madagascar, a song I wrote, and it talks about wanting to go home to our parents, the people who are familiar to us, all the familiar tastes. And it's not just about going home in another country, but it's also about going back to what was normal, going back to what was familiar, because now we are facing a very completely new, different reality. And so this song is for all of us. So we can think about our families who are far away overseas. We can think about ourselves here. We think about the future. And we are going to feel together that need, that desire to be home. Hudi.
Go